want? But I'm saying you want them stickers right there, or you want me to keep them?
Do you want them? Let them go put them on.
Yeah, I'm finna go put some more on some more people cars. Miss, they got me on this Bucana, so be patient with me. Bucanas, man. Already.
That's that shit.
Yeah, man, they got that Bucanas, man. Oh shit, he got that little thing in the front. Hey, Biddle, man. I got these stickers, man. I'm giving them away for free, man.
Hell yeah, we want
You want one?
Which one you want, Tommy? You want one? Yeah. Which one? Top one? Yeah, my hands are shaking, bro. I'm trying.
Man, do whatever you want to do, man.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, man. Hey, look at y'all. What y'all in here doing? Hey, put them stickers. Y'all want them or you want the bigger one? That's fine. All right, don't be bullshit. Already, thank you. I do need my shit on his car. Okay, we got the House of Fab. Just subscribe. Hey, y'all, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, like button, share, anything. Just press a button while we on our little downtime. Say y'all did something.
Y'all unsubscribe to the channel. He fucking.
Say y'all did something. Y'all see this motherfucker right here? He ain't shit. Motherfucker betting wrong, losing money, betting with the wrong cars and shit. You can't listen to shit he say. He losing money. Y'all want to talk to a loser? Oh, well, here, right here. He losing like a motherfucker. He betting on all the wrong cars. Wherever he point, just go the opposite and you gonna win. This him right here. Just bet against his ass. He down. He losing like a motherfucker.
I'm gonna make it back though.
He ain't gonna make it back, y'all. He gonna break even, so that means that you gonna still win. Who? Who is the Billy? Who he racing? Damn. The ICT Billy truck? Oh, Billy, yeah. Oh, he in it? I'm betting with him the whole way. Oh, okay, well, he gonna come back, y'all.
Your car ugly.
Alright, my neck cold. Oh, Jason Derrick.
What it is? You happy?
Man, I was looking for you earlier, man. I miss you.
Man, I was over
Just
there.
a little bit.
Yeah, that's all right. Happy New Year. And
You quit texting me.
I didn't need that shit.
I ain't heard shit from you, man. You usually text me every day, man. You stopped last year. That's
Huh?
some bullshit.
I ain't. Oh, well,
You stopped texting me.
I don't know.
And then I seen somebody else had a motherfucking thing like this. I said, man, where Jason at? I said, where the fuck Jason
Got
at?
a reusable straw in it.
Yeah, I said, where Jason at?
Lifetimer. You thank my neighbor for it.
Yeah, this is my boy right here.
Christmas time. See, all them times you help me, I'm gonna go back around for you.
Yeah. This is my boy Jason, y'all. He be at all the good track events. I knew you were gonna show up today. If it's a good ass event and that bitch in Dallas, anywhere near, he coming. Y'all gonna see him there. He probably got a partner there or something. He betting with him or some shit. I don't know what he be doing, but he be here. Man, he know so much shit. He know what everybody doing.
1, 2, 1 left.
Yeah, man, he know every motherfucking body,
And
man.
the trucks that ran earlier.
Man,
Which one did you like? This one or the other one?
which one was?
The one behind us?
Oh, yeah.
Or that one?
Man, I was, at first the one behind us was doing good, and then they switched driver in the other one, and then that one started doing good, and it made it seem like it was a conflict. You know, it was good enough to make you not know. Like, oh shit, just make you keep saying, oh shit. Oh, you did? See, I ain't know no better. Moonshine wasn't doing shit when I first got here. And then they changed drivers.
Yeah, he's learning it.
I know. That's what I'm saying. They work. They changed drivers too, though. Didn't they? Cause I just seen. Oh, it was. Well, I didn't see that driver.
I think Jay is driving.
One time we seen him get in. Oh shit, that's him. Oh no, you can't bet against him. He got unlimited. Unlimited horsepower.
Yeah, big time.
Yeah, big time horsepower. What's up, man? We got Hercules out here. You got a tune?
Yeah.
From who?
We came out looking.
It better be somebody good.
We came looking for the Mustang.
Don't look for me.
We're looking for it.
Man, all these trucks out here.
We're out here in the line waiting for the Mustang.
Man, who y'all let tuning, man? Is they good enough to shout out their name? Or y'all don't even know?
They good enough to go against the Mustang.
Cause listen, y'all say their name, y'all gonna make a pass and they name on the line.
So we ain't gonna say the name. We're gonna wait for the Mustang and then we'll say the name.
Fuck that. Say the name now. Fuck all that. If he good, that bitch supposed to be right. Y'all supposed to been and made a motherfucking shakedown on the street.
Put the caprice on the line against this.
Man, I'm gonna beat the shit out of this. This motherfucker probably, man, this a fucking big ass truck. I'm gonna beat this motherfucker. I ain't doing no pink slip. Y'all might surprise me. Turbo, nah, I ain't that confident. Y'all damn, you thought I was that confident. Damn, man. These motherfuckers, I got 4 Mexicans around there. They gave me some Bucanas way. Boy, that shit hitting like a motherfucker. Boy, I can't even. If you ever come here, and I got a couch for you, dude. I'm finna drink it now because you think I'm bullshitting.
I do.
I can't even read all my comments fast enough no more. These motherfuckers talking to me. Motherfucker talking to me.
What's you chasing?
I ain't shit. Another shit. Another shot.
You just dropped.
That mean I gotta finish.
There you go. Finish it.
God damn. Woo! This shit look like glue.
Yeah. Notice you didn't cough when you drank it.
What I'm gonna say, this shit tastes like, man. What do tequila taste like, fool? I don't, man.
It is good tequila.
It tastes like pimp juice.
It's 3 generations.
Let me see. Loader, how you doing? He drinking for sure. Look out, you doing too much cussing tonight. Oh, my bad, Mike H. He said he didn't want to hear too much cussing words.
All right. Well,
He probably got his kids and stuff watching. I'm sorry, Mike.
All right.
Damn, Mike.
Keep it PG.
You want to chase it?
Yeah, man. Let me finish this for Mike.
There you go.
Damn. Boy.
I ain't going back over there with Bucana, man. I ain't going back over